Zach, do you want a cracker?
Hi, do you want to share? Can you share your cracker? Zach. Can I have some? Zach, I'm hungry. Can I have some? Thank you. Thank you. Are you gonna have some? Good. Oh, sorry. Okay. That's so nice of you, Sarah. Okay, here, showing it in my mouth. Thank you, Zach. Okay, now you have some. Okay, now I have some. Now you have some. Can I have some more? Okay. Thank you. That's yummy.